Hello guys, welcome to Top 10 Fix channel. Today I want to show you how to bypass FRP on Vivo Y12S without PC, and we just use another phone to bypass the Y12S. So let's go. The first step, you need to turn off the phone. Turn it off. After successfully power off the phone, you need to hold volume up and power together at the same time. And then select on reboot. You have to choose the power to select on the select on recovery mode. Okay, select on it. And then you need to clear data right here and clear all data and select OK, and wait a minute for the phone start to clear the data. Okay, and then you have to go back, return and clear cache. OK, and return, and then you have to select on restart to reboot the phone to the menu again. Okay. For this step, you need to wait for a while, around 5 minutes or sometimes 10 minutes. So I need to skip this step and then I will come back again. That's it. Here is the menu after clearing data. So we need to set up the phone to the menu. Does it lock with the old password or not? And right here I need to skip the setup, then I will come back to see what is the result after the clearing data. Okay, don't copy. Okay, right after the setting up, you can see now the phone is locked with the old password, or you can use the old Gmail or Google account to bypass the phone. So now I will show you how to do it. So let's go. So the way to do this, you need to go back to the Wi-Fi and then select on the plus sign right here and select on add new network and select on the microphone and deny again, select on it again and deny again one more time, and then select on allow, and then we can get the keyboard right here and select on the permission and select on search and type for YouTube, select on it, and right here you need to select on notification and additional settings in app and about and YouTube terms of service, and then it will direct to the Chrome that you can open a website. So accept and continue, no thanks. Right here is a Chrome that you can type a website. You need to type a link, FRP file bypass, FRP file FRP bypass right here, select on it and scroll down, select on FOP and then you have to select on setting to direct to the settings of the phone, and then it will pop up the setting of the phone, and you need to scroll down to find the shortcuts and accessibility right here. Select on it, select on easy touch and turn on the easy touch right here, and select on customize menu, and then select on plus sign right here, and you need to add an application called easy share. Select on it, okay, select on easy share and then go back and turn on the easy touch and swipe on the right hand and select on easy share and agree, and you need to set up the phone, set up the easy share and start, and then select on phone clone right here and select on new phone, Android, OK, and select on while using this app. And right here we need another phone to bypass the FOP. I got another phone called Oppo A93, and then you have to download two apps in this phone. First app is called Easy Share, and the second app is called Quick Shortcut Maker. That is easy to download. You need to go to Play Store right here and select on the search and search for Easy Share and start to download it. And another one is Quick Shortcut Maker right here, select on it and download it. So after downloading the two apps, you need to open Easy Share right here, select on it, select on agree, and you need to set up to the menu of the Easy Share, and then you have to select on phone clone right here, select on it and select on old phone. For the Vivo Y12S is you need to select on the new phone, and for the another phone you need to select on the old phone. Right here you need to use the lock phone to scan on the new phone, QR code, and then you have to select on got it, allow. Right here you need to do not tick on the application, just click on apps, and then you have to select on one application called Quick Shortcut Maker, select on it and then select OK and start phone clone, and then type your password of the phone, and then it will automatically transfer the app called Quick Shortcut Maker to the phone, and then click on done. After that, the new phone is no longer for using, and then you have to select on Easy Touch right here and and go back and then select on custom my menu and select on plus sign right here and then you need to scroll down to find the application called Quick Shortcut Maker. Select on it and go back, and then you have to select on it and scroll to the right, and then select on Quick Shortcut Maker to run the app. Okay, right here is the last step to finish the FRP file, the FRP locked by the phone. And then you have to select on search and type word factory. Factory. Right here, factory test, select on it and select on, and then select on the first one, factory test, and select on try. Go back and select on the factory engineering test, select on it, and then click on try and click on engineering test, and right here go back to home and initial to English. Wait a minute, wait. Okay, right here, that's it. So we have completely unlocked the FRP by the phone. So thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel.